Here we are, Rome, Italy, guys. Just landed. Leonardo da Vinci Airport. New beginning.
We'll figure it out.
Right? Ooh, this one just taken off. Let's get in and discover that airport. Whoa. Aeroporto di Roma. I think exit is that way. Luggage claim this way. Nice flooring. I like that airport so far. Everybody can't figure it out because it doesn't say luggage claim, it just says exit. Alright, we'll take the train. We gotta take the train in order to cross to the other side.
Weird. First thing.
Everybody's getting on it. Luggage claim. This direction. Why is everything in Chinese? I think we're in Italy, not in China. Fantastic. I hope we didn't end up in China or something. There's a picture of naked guy. That means we're in Italy. With muscles, you know, and he got a big beard. Always. Sweet. Keep going down. Down, 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 down.
European passport this way.
Canadian passport. We are American. Americans, only EU citizens that way, and everybody else goes in this lane. Americans are in this lane. Alright.
Italiani di qua, European passport this way.
Italiano this way. We're not Italiano.
American passport over 14 this
American?
American on the left.
That way? Yeah, so I couldn't film for you guys in the security check, but we got it all done. My passport got stamped for the first time. Here we go. We have entered the
Baggage claim.
There's my bag coming. Green one. Alright, we got our luggages. We're all set. Let's go figure out the next step. Alright, here we go. We're heading to the train. We're leaving the airport right now on this walking path. We're heading to the port for the cruise ship, Civitavecchia. So we're gonna take the train, right, babe? Hi.
Hi. Trying to get us train tickets.
Yep, she's getting us train tickets so we can figure that out. Look at the Italian flag. Oh, baby. Leonardo da Vinci Airport. Oh. I think that's a train path right here. Yep. I got it. Train sign here. That's the train path. We are going to take the train to Civitavecchia, so we can catch the cruise ship. We have 5 hours from now to get to the cruise ship. Alright, the tickets are right here. Let's wait in line. Here we go, guys. We're at the train station right now. Finally, we figured out the train situation. We got the tickets for both trains, and we are taking the train. Train is coming right now. Train number 1. There's 2 trains in here, number 1 and number 2. We're taking number 1. It's gonna take us to Trastevere, and then from Trastevere we take the second train, and that will take us to Civitavecchia, which that's where the port is. That's where the cruise ship is. So we're gonna take 2 trains in order to get to Civitavecchia. It's gonna be fun. Nice train. Alright, let's get on it. We got on the train and we're heading to Trastevere. About 8 stops from now. Once we get there, then we take the next train to Civitavecchia.
Sì, lo controllo adesso.
Taking the train through the old city, through the junkyard, older houses, garbage, everything. That's the back side of the city, I guess.
Oh,
We are now arriving in Villa Bonelli.
Villa Bonelli. We're just taking off the train at Trastevere, and then we're going to Civitavecchia from here.
Vabbè.
We are gonna have to head out, I think, find out the next train. Let's figure that out. We are at Roma, Trastevere, I think. That's how they say it. We're waiting here for the train. The next train that's gonna take us to Civitavecchia. I think it's gonna come on that track from here, from that side. Tons of people are waiting. We came from that side, we took the elevator, took it to the other side, took the elevator, took it to that side. Took us like 15 minutes to figure that out, from that side to this side to that side. I think the train is coming. I think this is gonna be our train. You can see here, it's a Civitavecchia on the sign. Old station. Let's find out what this vending machine has over here in the train station. They got some monsters, some juice, Kinder bar, some biscuits, Kit Kat, M&Ms, and Oreo. Sweet. Okay, what is that? That makes you coffee. I think this machine actually makes you coffee. Espresso and cappuccino, stuff like that. Okay, and here there's more snacks. Twix, Bounty, Nutella, what else? Coke, juices.
We are now arriving in
Look at their cars, all lower cars, not like Americans, big huge trucks, V8, Hemi, supercharger. They got 3-4 cylinder maximum. Some of them are 2 cylinders. EcoBoost. Oh, fancy boats and beach. Hi guys. Destination is on your right. Civitavecchia. Oh, look at the people laying out on the beach. Salty water. go. We made it. Civitavecchia. Woohoo! Let's go find the ship now. Holy people. We took that little bus now and we're heading to the port. The ship. Here we go. Just got in. Woo, baby. Bags and everything back here. We're heading to the ocean. Sea. Water. Whatever you want to call it. Lovely. No kisses.
See you the final kiss. Wait till I'll be back. Come back 4 years later for more.
Right? All done. All over.
Actually, there's 3 ships.
There's 3 ships. Ours is the biggest. Ulle. These Mercedes are just amazing. They fly. Up, up.
It's official.
Sweet, look at that. Ulle. It's gonna be huge. Oh baby. Whee!
We might be staying in the taxi for the rest of the day.
Right? Alright, got the backpacks ready, everything. Welcome to Civitavecchia, guys. Welcome to the port.